Yung 220 level, yan, this one. Kahapon po ito, 220, nag-low tayo, sakto. Sakto din po yan dito sa trend line na to, yung channel trend line. Ito po, alisin ko to, hindi yan. Ako lang, kagagawa ko lang yan. Ito po, itong channel trend line natin. Sakto po yan dyan. So if you are trading, so you have to understand that trading is a game of probability. Kaya po lagi natin pinaghahandaan yung dalawang scenario. Why? Kasi yung price can go to the resistance and can go to the support. What's important is you know yung areas na yan para you know what to do pagdating dun. So, ang nangyari po kahapon, nandito yung price, nandyan pa, okay? Umakyat ng konti, hindi natin inabot yung 240 level, we got rejected bago pa lang umabot dyan, and then push back tayo papuntang 220. Nung nakita mo na 220 na yung price, alright, what should you do? Magsushort ka pa ba? Are you going to short the market dahil nakita mo, uy, 220? So, alam mo na yan na yung buy zone. That's the support. Ayun na po yun, tumalbog na. So, that's the importance ng pagpaplano. Follow for more Tito Moves!